Hey, Russian! We so powerful, I am legend. Pursue my happiness, I've been prominent. Ain't no accident, I'm so confident. Ain't nobody on my level. If you ask now, then we tell you. Eastside future brighter than bezels. You know me a star from me a level, no circle. Me I bet your big X for welcome Colinians for eminence. Latency hear them, but where them is near ending. Be trending, but now see trend setting. Eastside is aiming for excellence, well wealthy, heavenly presence, supremacy. Shoot my gun in idea chin, bust it from your skull, shot them exiting. Me lucky city, a gods, we are reaping benefits enemy. I'm gonna for be fucking prejudice. Yeah, loyalty isn't for everyone. Deadly a friend who want benefit, make your job. When you're relevant, then when you're relevant. Some irregular people live where we at, don't ask for any help. Yet turn me help myself, them say myself is so petty. Yet lesson take taught myself excellence. Very skeptic with friendship, yes, envy will mess with so many fail to meet the resume a standard in any way. Friend way through your past the subject where them feel. Me not penny weight. Get this straight, greatest is never great. Greater than any fear. Stay on top every day. Eastside is never scared. We will not lose for them celebrate. When you're powerful, you see them John here. Buy a card here and bet bad man start here. Buy a card here and them gun on falls here. Don't be doubtful that them want yeah. Stoop to them level, them happy. Surpass them and you turn target. Now have no time for nobody here and put me energy. Been through this whole lead. You know yourself already, I ain't even gon' say it. I'm not afraid of boy. Be so powerful, legend, pursue your happiness. Prominent, ain't no accident. Confident, ain't nobody on my level.